Everyone, so we're gonna start. Let's wait a couple minutes. So welcome on our DeFeed channel on Crypto Pumper show. It's GeekFi and we're live on YouTube, Binance Live, and many other live streaming platforms. So guys, be prepared today. We will have just some speculation about the coins, about how to form, of course, your follow as usual, and we will analyze everything was going on during these 2 days, I believe. So hello everyone, hello Alessa, hello Bella, hello Deeps, and Hamo, of course, and Mahmoud, I believe, and Alex. Oh, welcome to you as well. So we're starting and we're going to make it happen. Yeah, so before we are just going on within the folio stuff, I want to ask you to join, of course, if you're a newbie here, our Twitter and the main YouTube channel. So go there and you will find everything about the crypto, everything about the wallets and other stuff. And of course, if you like to read something, go for the articles on the feed, and we will be all right here. We are waiting you in any channel. And of course, guys, right on the description you can find our Telegram channel where we just share some insights, and guys, you have a chance to get in our private group with the core team. So you are welcome, and we are waiting for you guys. Okay, so seems to me everyone is here. So I'm just as a short reminder, actually, hour ago we were just exceed the profit loss on plus $10 actually, and I was really worrying about this because actually less profit I have. So the later we will find out when the bull market will be. Yeah, so and my goal here is to collect almost $4,000 in acquisition cost before the bull run starts. So I'm expecting this in spring, in the next spring. That's why we started on the 5th of April. So because we just want, so I want to form the positions for a long term, and of course with we are doing this, so we are doing this and trying to do this every day. So, and of course with the help of our great sponsor Change Wallet, who provides us some liquidity for the forming the positions, and usually I'm just picking up here in the Crypto Compare.com. So you can search my folio. I can share any link, so you can see any stuff which we're doing here during the live stream. So you are welcomed. So actually our goal here is not just hello Zora, hello princess. So actually our goal here is not providing you some short positions and some the best way to start to trading or something like this, or scalping. So we are not just focusing on the daily trades when just forming the folio. So of course we are trying to diversify our instruments like perpetual swaps, future trading, some IDOs and other stuff. But actually guys, I'm hoping you are right and you understand that our main goal is to provide you a habit to form your crypto folio or just folio. So make some investments in daily or periodically basis, so it will help you to save money and of course to have some profits in future. So a little bit disclaimer, so everything I'm doing here I'm doing by my own with real assets, no demo accounts, no different stuff, except I'm just mentioning it, for example, in our stream. So everything here is in which is just showed in Crypto Compare. You can find it's real money. It's my own money, so or money of just sponsors, which who provides the liquidity, for example. But the liquidity is just real, nothing fake here. So that's why, and we're just, of course, we're targeting such guys as we are. So loan bankers, middle bankers, I don't know. So those guys who are not professional traders and trying to make the first steps in investing, in collecting, in forming the folio, and making some first moves in their financial in the financial world, in the crypto world, and so on. So guys, I hope you're all here, guys, and as usual, I want to share some news with you and with some coins which we will buy today. So you can see that just a couple hours ago our folio exceeded just we're close to exceed $800. So I believe so today we will have some trades, so some buyings, some other stuff. So first of all, of course, all this market stuff was done by the XRP news, and actually I want to start with XRP here. So XRP right now passes on the 4th place. So the 24 hours change is 67%. So of course we have some XRP in our folio. We will just make even more positions in XRP, but a little bit later when it will be calming down a little bit. And I believe that the positive vibes, of course, are there, but the market is still I suppose in winter. Yeah. So the capitalization soared to reach the 41 billion. Here the surge followed the New York's judge ruling. So yesterday I've just show you everything about this one. So the regulatory pressure against Binance has spurred sell side pressure and so on and so on. So W for Ripple, W for the industry, W for the builders, for the rule book, for updating the system, and XRP now open for trading. Of course, this news cannot be just passed away. Yeah, so all the crypto market is just a little bit bullish about this one. So and Brad actually discussed all this situation. Of course, it's a big move here and big win. So in the recent interview in Bloomberg, Greg discussed the positive decision. So he said that the judge's decision made is clear that XRP, native cryptocurrency, is not a security in certain circumstances. So the most important part that we can trade if you are just in US, so you can trade XRP and do not worry that it's security or something. Yeah. So when asked about the most important use case of XRP, Gallagher emphasized that Ripple is focused on solving cross-border payment inefficiencies. He explained that Ripple is leveraging XRP as a part of the technology cluster to increase the speed of cross-border transactions and reduce their costs. Actually, they had some confirmations with big banks and so on, as far as I remember. So describing the result of the victory, Gallagher stated the Ripple's decision to fight with SEC sets an example to others, and I believe that it's very true here. Yeah. Criticizing the SEC's reliance on the sanctions rather than providing clear regulatory guidelines, Gallagher highlighted the need for clarity to encourage market innovation and growth. So he's also noted that members of Congress are beginning to pay attention, urging them to pass legislation that provide the necessary clarity that SEC currently lacks. And actually, there is one more news here that the candidate, so the candidate to the president, one of the candidates who just provides the open mind about the cryptos, had a lot of support right now in the US. So, and everything here is everything is connected with each other. So we can see that US with those ETF opened in Europe, in Australia. So today there was some news about the Australian Ethereum ETF as well. So they see that they made something wrong, I believe. So maybe it will be a crash for a US economy, maybe not. So, but actually, these big moves just beginning to, and these big ice just beginning to melt it down, and we can see that everything is going fine here. So remember, whom Ripple just passed away, so it was Binance and BNB. So let's look at the BNB. So BNB right now on the fourth place. They have significantly draw here, but today I will not buy any BNB or Matic, guys. What about Neo? Hamo asked. So actually, I wasn't analyzing the Neo, but I will, of course, and taking the risks about the Neo. So why not BNB? Because it's on the fourth place right now. So it has the 5%, and I believe we have some newbies here today. Yeah. So the first one will be Chia. So the prices right now is a little bit going down. So if we can see the graphs here, all of today, of course, is is very low, but actually if we go for the 1 year, we can see that this level is okay to enter. So of course I would like to enter here when the price was 28, 29, right now is 33. So actually I was thinking about how to get these Chia coins to my now wallet, so I can see that I so let's try to do this right now. So XCH, yeah, XCH. We can see that there is no right now there is no such a currency. But guys, what to do in this situation if you have a custody wallet and you want to buy some coin which is not supported by this custodian wallet? So go on the, for example, coin market cap, CryptoRank.io, CoinGecko, any of the sites. So go for the markets and see what exchange has the ability and the most of the liquidity, of course, the volumes, and of course what is the place of this exchange actually. So let's see. I don't see Bybit here, so because I had some Cetus coins there. So okay, we don't see the this exchange. So we see the KuCoin, OKX, and Gate.io, yeah, as well. What to do here? So maybe I will go for the OKX. Let's wait, guys. Or KuCoin. So I will go for the KuCoin, I believe. Because I have some Cetus coins there. Let me log in there. So wait a second, guys. So oh, come on, I need my phone here as usual. Because I'm usually using the Google sorry guys, authenticator, yeah, authenticator. Sorry guys. So I will go right now for the okay. I'm just going in for the participation. Okay. Okay, yeah, I have some funds here. So let's look at these assets overview. Funding, yeah, I have some proof of liquidity stuff, some Cetus coins because I was participating in staking, and in championships on Zana. So guys, I've got some 30,000 something about $30 there, so you can do it in future. We will ask to you to do this. So what to do here? Okay, it's unverified. So maybe I should switch on Gate.io. So or to the Huobi, because I've just passed the KYC on those two exchanges. Let's look at the price. Price is the same. Volume is the same. Yeah. I believe that OKX, I haven't passed the KYC on OKX as well. So maybe we need to do this here. I don't know. Wait a second, guys. So actually, I can do it in KuCoin as well, because so let's find so after this, so you've just find the market. So just copy your ticker for the coin. Yeah. So some educational part will be here. So for the early newbers, yeah. So just just find the chia, for example. Yeah. So we need to deposit it. Okay, select coin. The network is just the native network, and we've got the address. So copy this address, and let's go for for example, for the swap. So because I have the swap here, and I will have some. So the recipient wallet will be this one, and I will send my USDT TRX. How many? 20, yeah? 20. Oh no. CXH. Yeah, XCH. Sorry, guys. So we've got something like half of the coin. So maybe we need to get something like 40. Yeah. So we will have something like 40. Let's see if we have some. Yeah, we have some funds here. Because I want just the one coin, for example. Yeah, so I believe that it can bring us some valuable profits here. So actually, I've made just a pure analysis about the Chia coin and its founders. So its founders are just the guys who just invented the BitTorrent, and Satoshi Nakamoto said that he invented the Bitcoin looking at the efforts on the BitTorrent and other some other stuff. So actually, there are some rumors that they are connected. That's why I want to buy this coin, and I said that previously that I want to buy it. So that's why I just want to include it into the portfolio. So let's do this. So after this, we have the address to which we should transfer this. Yeah. So let's do this. USDT, send. Let's enter it. And amount 40. Yeah, done. Not enough TRX to submit the transaction. Oh my gosh. How many TRX do I have? Something $70. Why not? The network fee is 0. It's interesting. So, okay, let's do this with other coins. So with USDT from the BSC, for example. Oh, but I cannot, for example, okay, so let's go back and, for example, use the USDT in the another network. So it's very interesting how you can just switch on the cryptocurrencies. So BSC, for example, yeah. So the address is the same. Let's do this. Okay. We're just copying it and sending next. So 40. Okay, let's send it. I can show you my pin because okay, we've just sent it. So because you cannot, you cannot get into my wallet. So come on. Okay. Deeps ask you work on many platforms at the same time. Of course, you should be, how would say, you should be prepared to use different platforms, different exchanges, different wallets, everything different. So, and of course, if you just cannot, keep it in mind, just make the table and or the file where you will be just going up with the statistics and making some stuff there with statistics, yeah, as well. So we are waiting, so let's wait a couple of moments, and I will just switch on interesting stuff with the CZ actually. So CZ has released a special letter to the company's 6th anniversary. It's very interesting uh, because because they just fired around 1,000 people. So there were news. So they just fired 1,000 people, and actually, what's going on here? So and they had anniversary. So founder shared his views on the company extraordinary journey and a private letter which comes public, yeah. So he expressed his gratitude for the continued support of the Binance community, stressed the importance of the collaboration with regulatory officials, and discussed emerging trends in the crypto industry. So CZ recalls the challenging times to the company. And actually it's sad truth. So including the decision to use its own company funds to reimburse users affected by 2017 China ban on crypto exchanges. So according to CZ, this action, which prioritized user protection despite its significant financial implications, reasoned with the global cryptocurrency community and led to the increase in user numbers and profitability. Okay, so this positive, yeah, I believe. So CZ highlighted the importance of two crypto winters testing Binance resilience. During this challenging time, the company focused on prudent financial management, which has proven vital in surviving both market slump in 2019 and 2022, according to the founder. Actually, despite these ups and downs in the industry, Binance has remained true to its long-term vision. Actually, guys, the crypto winters 2022 actually I believe was not just the pure, how it say, and wasn't the pure just hand over the without the hand of the CZ, because actually I believe that all the situation with FTX and other stuff, so CZ had the power to support these guys, for example, yeah, providing them liquidity or something, or buy back the FTX debts, for example, and staying the stability on the market. So yeah, so and you can see that related news here as well. So Binance lays off 1,000 employees. So evaluating the regulatory environment, CZ acknowledged that regulations are showing increased interest in cryptocurrencies, particularly Binance due to its size in a global influence. He expressed a willingness to collaborate and take the leadership role in compliance efforts, noting the importance of working with regulators to shape the future of digital assets. So actually, it's something like very waterish, yeah, I believe so. Many water, no facts here, yeah. So something which you cannot use anyhow, yeah, because it's just general, intent. Okay, so Deeps, I thought you were talking about arbitration. No, Deeps just meant when he just asks about the exchanges and platforms, he just asks so how you can manage different exchanges, different wallets. So actually, it's easy. And how would say, I don't know. So you're just using buses, for example, or subways, yeah, or something, and you just remember all of the stuff, how they're just going. The same stuff with crypto, with exchanges. But if you cannot just remember the platforms and other stuff, just write down them into the some of the sheet of the paper or Google Tabs or something. Yep. Okay, okay, okay. So, Sisi welcomed the continued progress on the clarity around the world, not noting that countries that provide an open and conducive environment for the crypto industry will gain significant advantage in the long run. Yeah. So, okay, okay. Let's see if we just got this swap. Okay, it's finished. So we can see that we've got some of the XHH. So let's go for them. And okay, the price is 33.55. So let's go. Here is our amount. So we've bought it on the market. So because the liquidity was provided by now wallet, so that's why I'm just not writing the and some I'm just writing the number of coins we've bought. Yeah. Okay, and we can just say there, so that's they just were provided on, for example, KuCoin exchange here. So that's easy with such an instrument. So you can do the same Deeps, just using the follow, so you can make some comments and see where is your liquidity situated. Yeah, so on your wallet or on centralized exchanges or anything else. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, something is here, something is okay. So I've just made a little bit more price, not just the current on the market. So I believe it's okay right now. So let's see if we've got it to the exchange actually. So where is it? Where is our? Oh, I believe that we have the okay. Yeah, it's in the progress, so we can see that it's right now in deposit, so everything will be smoothly and fine. Okay, so okay, so your first guess wasn't right, yeah, but actually I don't forget about the Neo. Let's go and see what's about the Neo. Oh, the price is down by this day, but let's go and see the month's price. So it's going high, yeah. So okay, let's go for the all time. So if we just go in and see the all-time high, it was, so I'm usually taking up the position of all-time high, and actually, guys, we can see two pikes here, yeah, and we see that the second pike was not so big as for the comparison with this one, yeah. It reminds me that they have maybe some troubles or something, I don't know. Where they're just situated. DEX volume. I don't remember. I suppose it's they have their own blockchain. Yeah. Yeah. I remember the new. Yeah. Actually, they had very strong community. I believe that they're just working as far as I was in the crypto, just starting there. So, but I haven't actually seen the big moves from them. Yeah, in just the right several, I don't know, years even. Yeah, so they have big intentions. So, but let's see. So if they will reach out even this high, all-time high, or for example, we can see that it was all-time high was something like, sorry, 180. Yeah, 190. Then it was 120. Yeah, so something about, let me check. I'm not using very complicated instruments, yeah, because you will no. So it was 63%. So if we just multiply this on 120, so it can go, for example, 75. Yeah. So something like, sounds like, yeah, incredible profits within the within the future bull run. Yeah, so maybe we will buy it. Yeah. Let's go and see if we have this coin in our wallet. Yeah, we have some. So we can create new wallet just in the seconds here. So I like this. So let's try to, okay, we will buy on $10, I believe, or maybe on 20 as usual. Okay, let's exchange and test it and test out the new. Let's do this. New. Okay, let's go with the CZ just tweeted. He said we are still hiring. Yeah. Okay, we've got just around 2 coins here, yeah, from $20. Let's but I suppose exchange fees will be just big because there are 2 networks, but let us see, yeah. Okay, something, maybe my connection is bad. Okay, waiting. So till we are waiting, I will read some information about this. So Neo builds itself as a rapidly growing and developing ecosystem that had the goal of becoming the foundation for the next generation of internet and new economy. And so initially known as Ancheris, this project was delivered to be China's first ever public blockchain when it was launched in February 2014. Yeah, guys, so very, very long time ago. Oh, what's happening here? I want 20. So, and as well as creating a worldwide community of developers who create new infrastructure, the project operator could boost initiative that designed to encourage people to build decentralized apps and smart contracts on the blockchain. And I believe that they have some swaps of the coins, so something like this. The market cap is really big one. Trading volume is good as well. Yeah, so okay, we've got the network fees. Let's go for the exchange. Something went wrong. So even Destiny do not want us to buy them. Okay, let's let me reload the app. Okay. I believe some network issues, because you can see that new okay 20. Let's go for the exchange once again. So you can see that the graphs here just goes down drastically today. Yeah. So let's go for the risk analysis. So okay, we can see this our XHR. So you can see that the Bitcoin has been rising up, and right now has been returned to this position of 30,000. So interesting article I found on Bitcoin system. So the price of Bitcoin, which rose above 31,000. So actually today it was 31 and 700. So stood at this level for a day. The more than 44% was sudden decrease on the 30,000. So and of course other altcoins just go and decrease as well. So with the declines in the last 4 hours, there has been approximately 130 million bucks of liquidation in crypto money market. Very significant portion of the liquidations, with 100 million, were in long positions, of course, guys. So that's all the market makers are doing. Yeah, so they see how many they can get money from the liquidations, and they have numbers how to exactly do this. So how much liquidity do they need to do this? So for example, in order to provide so many liquidations, they can for example sell Bitcoin on 100 million. Yeah, so the cascade of liquidations will influence the price drastically, so that then the price just going even lower, and then they can buy back this money. So actually making this stuff happens. Yeah, so I don't see that it's working right now. Okay, so let's go for the one of my favorites is Toncoin. but we can we can see that the Tone coin on they have on ERC20, but actually I want to analyze the Tone coin. So Nair is not lucky today, yeah. Okay, we can see the Tone coin which has feeling good here, yeah. So the all-time position is very good, and I believe that so it can grow drastically, yeah. And you can see it doesn't it doesn't falling, and for me this is a good signal actually. So I believe that we need to buy some. So let's go for the markets, and we can see that they have the on decentralized exchanges, which is just wrapped stuff here. So let's go for the so on KuCoin they have as well. So let's see if I can change. Okay, this finished. So start a new change, for example. Let's go for the USDT TRX, and I want, for example, buy on $40, for example, Tone coin. I believe they have. Yeah, they have. So the recipient wallet should be different. Trade like a whale. Oh my gosh. We just have already joined the pro, so you need just to register there. Okay, so let's go and take some Tone coin as well. I believe that's a good stuff just to join in the Tone community right now. How to do this? So I will go for my crypto account and get some Tone. So let's see this. Yeah, we've got this. Wow, nice. I believe that Binance should include Tone coin as well. The memo and the address are both required for a Tone deposit. Ensure that you enter your memo for the deposit or the funds may be lost. Okay, let's go for the address right now. Let's see if they have the address. Okay, next. I don't see the memo. Yeah. So let's do it in other way. Let's do it in other way. So other way, we can just go for the USDT, for example. Select network TRX. So this is a good stuff here as well. So we have the address, so we can copy it and just to send our USDTs here and then exchange here. Yeah. But I like to do this on chain actually. So the recipient address, we're just entering it. Yeah, so we've got $40, for example, and done. But actually, I like when all the stuff in my wallet, yeah, providing in my wallet, or for example, I'm getting the pure stuff here. But okay, so this is an exception. Why we have not enough TRX? So because it's something interesting, because I have enough. So okay, let's try to exchange USDTs on TRX, maybe. Something interesting here because okay, let's go with something like 30. Okay. No, something is wrong here. Yeah, with I believe something is wrong with TRX network right now. So okay, let's do this with BSC network. So that's why I've just okay, we can see this like BSC, for example, unavailable. Oh my gosh. Okay, we will be just waiting TRX. That will be fine. So each exchange has its minuses and pluses. So look at the network. So no BSC, no EOS, Arbitrum, Optimism, Near. So actually, it's interesting. By the way, I will drink my coffee right now. Okay, now. Okay, still pending. I don't want to get into the ERC20, for example, to change them because we will lose some, you know. Okay, waiting. Okay. We'll be waiting. So okay, what can we just provide as okay, we can do some other stuff here. So I have some Sidus coins here, yeah, so interesting. Interesting, yeah. So we have some Sidus coins right now here. So I believe we can change them. Let's go for the market. Let's go for the spot trading. Let's find Sidus. Okay, it's growing. So we can go for the market. Oh, where are the... Oh, I don't remember my trading password. Actually, I don't even know this one. Let me check. Oh my gosh. Let me check. So that's why I don't like different exchanges. They always trying to, you know, ask you everything. Verification cards and everything. So why not to use just one, just for example, authenticator of Google and that's all. So I don't believe that it's not enough actually. Oh, it's asked me to provide the KYC. Oh, come on. Something is strange here. Okay. So, I'm stuck a little bit. So sometimes this happens. So let's see. Maybe we've got the TRX right now. Yeah, we've got some TRX right now. So we can fulfill the exchange wallet, and then okay, but we cannot change it for example, for tones. Here, but we will try. Okay, let's. So let's go back for the coin exchange. So oh my gosh, I believe I should pass the KYC from the for the next show. Yeah, guys. Okay, I will do this. So we will find ton. So deposit network ton. Oh, they need, so they require the memo, yeah, so that's why we're just, okay, so we can postpone, for example, turn maybe, or we can go for the for back for the markets, and we can see that we can buy it on Bybit, for example. Why not? Why not? So let's go there. I have some liquidity there, so I don't like hoping on the exchanges, but sometimes it's, you know, you need to do this. So let's go for this one. So I have some liquidity here, yeah, from my previous stuff here. So okay, we will go there and find, so we can see Cirrus here as well, but I want to find new one, so turn. Here we go. 135. Let's see on the market. 135. Yeah, it's okay. Let's get back here. So okay. Let's order book. Okay. Let's buy for the market, because we are always doing it by the market. So I will buy on $40. So let's go. Okay, order history, trade history. I don't see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we have the price. We've just bought some of the tone coins. So let's go here and add them in our folio. So I believe that will be the last one trade for the day. Tone coin. Tone coin or just the tone? Interesting. Let's back and find. So it just ton. I don't understand. So I believe that's the old ticker here, yeah. Okay, let's check it out. So we've got the almost 30, and the buy price. Here we go, average. Yeah, it's working. It's working right now. So it's the same. I believe they haven't changed the ticker name yet. So because they changed the open network, I believe, just for the tone, from the tone coin, just for the tone. So we can see that our folio right now just pull out for the big amounts of money, because I will not trading on the weekend. So that's it here. So guys, I believe that's it. So okay, I need to state where it was bought, yeah, so where we can find it. So right now our acquisition cost just grew up for the almost so 850, and actually if we go for the zero, so it will be something like 900. So it's a great result, guys. I believe that we're just forming our folio. we will try to get this follow as much diversified as we can do this. So the next time, I believe, we will see and try to enlarge our positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I believe that Ethereum right now has the big perspective actually, and of course when we grow this position, we will not forget about the Matic, my favorite coin. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so that was GeekFi on Crypto Pumper Show. Go for our channels, go for the Telegram, and everyone. Wish you good luck and good weekend, guys. So bye bye. Love you, love you, love you all, and I wish you a lot of money, of course. Bye bye.